morning, viewers, from a very cold Manchester in the north of England. Well, today it's my first time to visit Manchester for 5 years. So today I'm going to give you a walking tour. I'm going to take you around. I'm going to show you what's going on. I'll be heading through Piccadilly Gardens, Deansgate, Manchester Cathedral, and I end up in Chinatown, where I even find some Filipino products, some Filipino food products, here in Manchester, England. Right, let's go and have a look around Manchester. Manchester has some lovely old pubs. On a sunny afternoon, they're usually busy, as you can see. People can't resist having a pint of beer and sitting in the sun. It's a Saturday morning and it's packed out. And they even welcome dogs. What a good pub. Here's the National Football Museum. It's in a huge building. There's lots of tributes and flowers around the city for Queen Elizabeth. Now we're on Market Street. It's Michael Jackson.
Make it bold. Finish it for me, okay? Just a little smiley face there. Can you do that? Awesome. Here we go. You're getting 2 eyes and 1 mouth. That is perfect. Just 2 eyes up there. Awesome. Now I'm going to show you the card because this is the one that you found out of every single one over here. Thank you so much. Now, if you can remember what the card is, everybody just say yes. Now, I'm going to put the cards in the trap. Can everybody give me an ooh? Everybody give me an ah. Perfect. I shuffle like this. And I will now attempt to place the cards in the trap with due care and attention. It's not on the top and it's not on the bottom. Here we go. Hold on to the pen a minute. Go 1 little step back. Thanks. Here we go. I'm going to do it the hard way as promised. Here we go. I can't believe nobody's even trying to stop me. Now you're all just staring at me like a road traffic accident. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we have one animal trap over here, banned in the 1950s. This really is the world's most dangerous card trick. Only 3 magicians in the entire world can actually do this. Wow. I'm not one of them. But I'm going to try today for you people of Manchester to plunge the whole of my right hand inside the animal trap. I will then hit that trigger, riffle through the cards, and attempt to find Whedon's one before the jaws go snap around my fingers, ending my career in seconds before your eyes. Now, I know I talk quite fast. If you're still with me, everybody, say yes. Yeah. Awesome. And put your hand up if you want me to succeed at this trick, by the way. Nice people. Put your hand up if you want to see me fail. Horrible people. Put your hand up if you want to see me hurt myself. No comment. Put your hand up if you're filming this because you want a good video for TikTok. Now, I'm going to find the card, but I do need a drum roll. Are you having fun? That was like 2 of you. Are you having fun? There we go. When I shake the ball in the cup, we're going to have fun now. Can everybody together please give me an ooh? Perfect. When I take the ball away and I put it in the bag, everybody give me an ah. When I show you there's nothing under the cup, but I wave and snap and the ball comes right back just like that. Everybody go, hey, hey. That's nothing. Now I'm going to get the card out, but you've been so good coming here and helped me out, you know? You've actually helped me build all these people. You know, at first, it was only you and your family. If you just hand me the pen, do we think this kid deserves a prize for coming and helping me out, everybody? Yeah. Do we think he deserves it? Yeah. Perfect. Please, 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 do not try this at home. And study hard at school, go to university, get a job, get a classics degree, and work really, really hard. That's what I did. And one day you too could be on the streets. Now, before I finish the show, can I ask everybody here to come up to where the water is? Do you see that faint line on the floor? If you guys all move together up here, and you guys also put your feet on the line as well. I'm going to finish the show now. But like I say, I've enjoyed my show, everybody. Yeah. Good, I really hope you have enjoyed it. It's my first time here in Manchester. As you might recognise from the accent, I've come all the way from London to perform. And this is my job, it's what I do for a living. I travel around the world, I love doing shows like this. At the end of the show though, I just need to say this is really important, guys. Please don't walk away, this is my job. At the end of the show, I'm just going to stand here, I'm going to hold out my hat. If you can give, please give. If you can't give, please give. Now, it's up to you what you give. I want to make that absolutely clear, but just think about this. You go to any pub around here, you charge her out, you'll pay about £5 for beer. Honestly, I'd like to think for so much family entertainment that £5 is worth it. It's okay. Oh, thank you. Thank you very much. I'll get a coffee later. Thank you, sir. That's all right. Thank you. It's very kind. But by the way, at the end of the show, put some money in the hat. £5 the price of beer. If you throw in 10, that'd be amazing. 20 makes my day. But guys, if you don't have any cash, it's okay. You don't have to walk away. That's absolutely fine. Relax. When you do that, you actually make a lemon appear, you see? Oh, sorry, that's a lime. Everybody shout lemon. Now, can you take this? I want you to wave it over the cup. You can say any magic word you like. Wave it over the cup. Abracadabra, that's really good. Now, you just lift the cup. Everybody here, give him a drum roll, by the way. Give him a drum roll, everybody at the same time, so nobody feels embarrassed. Can you just pick up the cup for me? Pick up the cup. Oh, wait, don't clap, because these two, exactly, don't even fit in. Now, I give you a prize, because you've been absolutely amazing. You take this. Have you ever helped out in a magic show before, by the way? Now, one person was clapping for you. Wait, we're going to do this properly. You take a big bow. Everybody in. Time. Here we go. Putting my hand inside an animal trap. Here we go. Perfect. Now, when I stamp my foot on the floor, can everybody please just give me one clap in return? Here we go. It's simple. One step, everybody one clap. Last bit of the show. One step. One clap. Nice one. One step. One clap. Perfect. One step. One clap. Nice one. A little bit louder. Come on. A little bit harder. And live on the streets of Manchester, Piccadilly. Here we go, I'm going to do it now. Everybody keep clapping. Come on, I need to hear you. Just to break my fingers if it goes wrong. Here we go. I'm going to do it. Right here. Right now, here we go. Come on. 3, 2. Give it up. Come on, here we go. 3, 2. 3, 2, 1. I got one. Oh, come on, guys. I got one. But wait, it might not be it. On the count of 3, anybody who remembers the card, you're going to shout out loud for the benefit of anybody who came in late. 1, 2, 3. What was the card?
Ace of Diamonds. Yes.
Ace of Diamonds. This really is the Ace of Diamonds. You guys know what to do. Ladies and gentlemen, the Ace of Hearts. That was the one with the smiling face. Come on, everybody in Manchester. Wait.
Well, I hope you enjoyed that. A bit of street magic in Manchester. Watch yourself in Manchester. There's trams running everywhere. Look left and right everywhere you go. There's also a little street food market here. Let's go and have a look what they've got. Lots of choices. All looks pretty good. The dog house. Falafels. Chinese foods. Indian foods. They've got ready-made food there as well. All Indian. And now we're in Chinatown. Lots of restaurants in Chinatown. That one's Vietnamese. This one's Chinese. I'm looking for a supermarket. And I've found an Oriental supermarket, and we've found the Philippine stuff. This is all the Filipino foods. Sinigang mix, banana ketchup, lechon sauce, sardines, even bagoong. All Filipino products here in Manchester, England, in the Chinese supermarket. Well, I didn't expect that. Right, out we go. So if you're in Manchester and you want Filipino products, come to this place, Hang Won Kong. So that's Chinatown, guys. Chinatown in Manchester, England. It's got quite a few restaurants, a few supermarkets. Manchester Chinatown. Even the Chinese bookies. So thanks for watching, guys. More videos to come soon. Hope you enjoyed the walk around Manchester. See you on the next video.